Hey guys, so for today's video, I wanted to do something Halloween related, but I have to go out. I have to get out of here in like an hour and a half, so I'm gonna skip that and I'm gonna save those ideas for like the upcoming videos. But for today's look, I'm gonna do a super fall look. Like, I'm just very inspired by my nails because they're like orange and mustardy yellow, and that's just how I'm feeling. I can't do it if I don't feel it, okay? And my brain is not awake yet, but let's get into this. Okay guys, so I'm gonna begin with the eyes, getting nice and close. Okay, no, actually I'm gonna put some maracuja oil on my face. Actually, if I'm gonna head out, I'm gonna actually put some SPF. That is very important. I'm gonna use the Josie Maran Argan Daily Moisturizer SPF, and I'm gonna put this all over my face. I've been loving this guy lately, and I know that I'm a person who doesn't like spending, but this is amazing. Why am I doing this before showering? Okay. I'm gonna really focus this on the eyes. I feel like I don't have enough time for this. Okay, I'm gonna prime my lids with the Milani concealer, and yeah. And I'm gonna set that with an oldie but a goodie with the 350 Morphe palette. I haven't touched this in like months, I wanna say. I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, Arm and Gorgeous, and I'm gonna take this yellowy red, which is Axis, and I'm gonna focus this on the inner corners of my eyes. By the way, I hate this palette, but it's the only mustardy yellow I got right now. Okay, so now that we have that color set down, I'm gonna take the shade. Okay, I'm gonna take the shade Secure, which is the orangey, excuse my hair, the orange shade here. And I'm gonna use this to merge this and the orange that I want for my look. And see how I'm trying to keep everything like not beyond the crease. That's just as far as I want to go because I want this to be pretty, I don't want to say graphic, but specific. See how there's like a nice gradient and like, you know, harsh lines. This is why I like Whimper White windshield motions, I think that's how you say it, but at the same time I try to pat in because this palette is not my favorite, definitely, but it's working. I don't know why I decided to work now. And I'm gonna take, finally, I'm gonna take this orangey shade, which is the one that I've been dying to try, or kind of like I'm gonna do both these shades, the dark orange and the really alive orange. I think I'm gonna take actually a smaller brush where I can really pick where the shade's gonna go. See how it's super specific, like, and this is why I pat rather than swipe. I'm gonna go back into the shade Secure and kind of blend it out. I'm gonna take the small blending brush. I'm gonna go over everything because I don't want it to look so harsh. See how that looks super blended out and it doesn't look at all harsh, but it's very specific about where the colors are. I actually really like this. See how it matches my nails? Love it. And yeah, I think that's gonna be pretty much it for the eyes because it's 10 a.m. I think this is a look for, I don't want to say date day because that's pretty intense. orange unless that's your cup of tea. But yeah, I'm really pleased with the way this looks. So I'm gonna move on to the face. Okay, so I put SPF, I put maracuja oil, so I'm very moist. I'm gonna jump into my Milk foundation because I love it and I love it. I'm gonna dive into my Stellar Limitless Concealer. This is honestly one of my favorite concealers because it's very light to medium coverage and it's very nice for my dry skin. It doesn't emphasize texture at all. And I don't know, I'm very much into the light coverage situation, so it's really, really nice. And that applies real nice with a brush. I did not know that. I love this combo. It's like the perfect dewy situation. Like I just look so fresh and yeah, super moist. And obviously that maracuja oil and the SPF. Honestly, that SPF is the best. But I'm gonna actually set everything because I like the dewy, but I kind of like don't want to be so wet. Especially because I haven't showered and I hop into the shower and then actually leave. So just gonna set a little this. And I love this powder, the ColourPop setting powder. I feel like it's so good and it's so inexpensive, and this is one of the only powders I feel like sets my face nicely where I don't lose the brightness of my skin. I'm gonna use the ColourPop bronzer. I love this color. It's the, I don't remember the name, but I love the color. The thing about the ColourPop bronzers is that they don't last as much as, I feel like they don't last as much as their blushes. I don't know why. It's just, they don't last, on me at least. Oh, but it's such a beautiful color. Does it happen to anyone else that this stupid brush, this Morphe brush, sheds like fucking crazy? Okay, so I'm gonna take, actually what I wanna do, I want everything to be super put together and more monochromatic. So I'm gonna actually take that same orange and I'm gonna apply it as a blush very, very lightly because these are very, very bright colors. Kind of put it on my face. That was actually enough to apply on the whole face. See how that orange kind of matches the gradients here? So it's not that far from it. That's what I do when I want my looks to be kind of like more monochromatic and kind of with the same feel on the face and in the eyes. And when I don't essentially have that blush shade, what I do is I use that same eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this Nude Sticks highlighter in Bronzy Bay because I feel like it's very light. Lovely. Yes, perfect for what I want it. Like it's just a light brunch. Like I don't want anything intense because I know that none of my friends are gonna wear makeup. I want to finish the eyes. I'm gonna actually take. What do I want? Let me do the brows. This is like it's distracting me and it's not letting me see beyond my greatness. Okay, so now that we got that brow situation done, I'm gonna actually mimic that same gradiency underneath my eyes to kind of like put it all together. I will take my Jaclyn palette. I'm gonna take a small brush and I think I'm gonna, no, actually Soleil shade here, and I'm gonna pop that in my inner corners to kind of have a little shimmer going on. For lashes, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. Listen, I hate that I like this, but I love it and I can't afford this. Like, it came as a sample. It's so beautiful, it hurts, okay? I have baby lashes and this makes my lashes so long and separated. I just I truly adore this. Like I barely use it because I don't want it to end. I don't want to pay for this. But yeah, I love that. I'm not gonna do lower lash line situation because I want to keep it light. It's very early for me, at least. It's very early. It's 10:45, and I'm okay with this. I'm fine with this natural situation. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I use the shade Kristen, I believe. The lip gloss Terra. I use the lip gloss Terra by Anastasia, and it's almost over. I really need to purchase this because it's a wonderful like pink, but kind of like with a brown undertone. I feel like it matches perfectly with the eyes, and it kind of like keeps the monochromaticness to the look, I feel. And yeah, I am ready. All I need is to shower now to get ready. I'm really happy with the way this look turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!